And the sheriff's office. It's a suggestion to operators, but I cannot figure out what this is. Is it a bingo basin? Oh, wait a minute. It's a mimeograph machine. Wow, wonder what year that's from. Gotta love the ball and chain, huh? And then, moving into the cell. Whoa, oh, dirt floor. Not a very inviting jail. And only old potbelly stove, and I guess that's the prisoner's meal. And the next on the way is the old hotel. Right. Oh, look at that. Kind of cool if we could go up, but they do have this gated off up there. So yeah, so this is the hotel lobby and apparently the bar as well. Yeah, I can imagine the old piano player here. Oh, some gambling. Roulette wall. Let's see. It's a small craps table. That's craps, I'm not sure. Well, it could be craps, old way. Of course, poker. I always look when I look at these poker things. Do we have aces and eights? I almost don't even want to show it. Hey, boy. It's interesting, they have all these hats on the bar. That Castor whiskey. I don't know if we can read this one or not. It doesn't look like it. I can't read that. Something water. Agua. Other carving. It's kind of a cool lamp. Little cherubs on it. All right, so now we're headed into the blacksmith shop. Oh, yeah, look at this. It's cool. The huge bellows here. Let's walk around here. Wow. Whew. It's like an old press or something. I got sidetracked from my bellows. This bellows is not in great shape. Notice here it's pretty deteriorated. And you got all the tools on the back wall there. It's pretty cool. What do we have here? Oh, looks like some kind of an old chemical fire engine something. Dry chemical fire suppressant maybe? I just noticed this walking out of the blacksmith shop. I guess this would be a old tiller, probably drawn by mules, but I'm trying to figure out, maybe it drops seed as well. Definitely looks like behind the tills would be a seed dropping mechanism that would come from this box, and then it would be this chain from the wheel moving would probably feed into the seed droppers, whatever. Castle Dome City, Lottie's dress shop. White Family Rotary. Boy, seeing all kinds of stuff I've never seen before. I like the decorations a lot on these things. Some of these are pretty wild colors, that green. And we've got these over here. What do we have here? Oh. Okay. Well, seems like we have a dog here. He says I have to walk around all these places. Put his leash down. He just doesn't move. He just stays where you put him. Saws bought and sold. Arizona Sam. Yeah, there's a few saws hanging here. Get an angle, you can see them stacked in deep down in there. Got a saddle. Oh, looks like an old small pedal organ. It's interesting. Oh. Now it's a coyote skins or something on there, but it looks nasty. Oof. It just looks nasty. Little cabin. So apparently he this must have been his cabin. So I'm getting the impression that these guys, maybe everybody went and ate at the cantina or one of the mess halls, because you're not really seeing any kitchens around. Or there are things missing. Oh yeah, the saw shop. All right, well, I'm walking outside the saw shop here, and I'm not sure if we've done everything that's here, but if we haven't, maybe you can come see it. It's a pretty great place. I mean, some of the things, I always see these things, and I mean, it's really fun to see the old stuff, and then they throw in things like that, the dogs playing poker kind of thing. I don't think that's old. Maybe I'm wrong, but you know, I guess a lot of people like that stuff. I kind of like the authentic stuff, but overall, 70s, I'm not interested in that, I don't think. But overall, it's a pretty cool place. And it's about $15 a person for adults. I think it goes down. I don't remember what it is for children. Let me go find Carol and Trigger, and most likely we're going to be off. But you never know. Well, we are leaving Castle Dome, Ghost Town, and that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was very cool.
And I think I did mention that, unfortunately, we got our solar fixed, our auxiliary panel, which would have by now, we would not be in any issue on solar, but since we haven't had it for like 10 days, we've just run the battery down, not all the way. It's not in danger right now, but it's also supposed to be overcast tomorrow. So, as a cautionary matter, we're gonna have to bite the bullet and go to an RV park.
Go to an RV park.
So,
And we already paid for showers today,
yeah,
so.
I know. Yeah. I guess we'll take showers in the morning. Might as well.
May as well. Have another day of being clean.
Yeah. Tomorrow we're going to go to another ghost town, but it's a totally different thing. So we'll see you guys then. We may check back in this evening. If not, thanks for watching. This will be its own video, and we appreciate watching. Please like and subscribe, and we will probably see you on the next video. All right, thanks again. Bye.